Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to fill out Form 1099B. Start by gathering broker statements, trade confirmations, and cost basis records so you can match proceeds to basis accurately. Next, identify wash sales, adjustments, and acquisition dates to report correct dates and amounts. Review checkboxes and codes carefully to avoid misclassification. Finally, confirm payee details and file by the IRS deadline using e-file or paper submission options available. Begin by collecting every broker statement, trade confirmation, and account summary so nothing is missed. Organize purchases by lot to determine specific cost basis, and note any reinvested dividends that affect basis. Flag wash sales and any corrections from brokers that change tax treatment. Use spreadsheets or tax software to consolidate totals and identify short-term versus long-term transactions before moving on to form entry. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more clear tax guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp scent that keeps you focused while organizing tax forms. It's a small pick-me-up during long filing sessions, and it pairs surprisingly well with coffee and patience. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Enter gross proceeds and cost basis for each transaction on the appropriate form lines, and compute your gain or loss clearly. Include adjustment codes for broker corrections, wash sales, or non-covered securities so the IRS and recipient match records. Confirm whether holdings are short-term or long-term based on purchase and sale dates to apply correct tax rates. Double-check totals and attach schedules before submission to reduce audit triggers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.